I'm Jack Meany. I'm the CEO of the YMCA of the North Shore, which is located on the North Shore of Massachusetts. I was aware of the technology which has been called cogeneration for many years, and then American DG touched base with us along with a couple of other providers, and we began to look at it seriously again after about a 20-year absence. We selected American DG because we felt that they were, number one, a very reputable firm. They had done a lot of different projects with universities, schools, hotels, and even a couple of YMCAs. And so we felt they had experience in the area that we were looking for. Number two, we felt that the cogeneration plan and the financing, as well as the payback period, was well thought out and was flexible, and that was important to us. We in the particular building that we used the cogeneration plant in, we were a little challenged for space in our mechanical room, but the vendors as well as the American DG people made that space work. I think certainly energy savings should be important to all Ys for both a financial standpoint as well as a social responsibility standpoint. I think our members want us to do it, and I think that we should be responsive to those kind of needs. In the whole world of energy conservation, I think cogeneration has its place. I think it particularly has its place in YMCA's because you need a constant use on a year-round basis. Where YMCA's get that constant use is through heavy use of domestic hot water as well as pool heating and ventilation. Also, cogeneration can be used for cooling, although we haven't used it in our particular setting for that. So I think that it's certainly an option that YMCA's should look at because it can meet not only your financial needs, it has a legitimate payback period that benefits the Y, as well as it creates an energy savings by not wasting the heat that is generated when one produces electricity and reusing it for domestic hot water and for pool water. So the bottom line is we think it's a real viable option for new construction as well as in-place construction and retrofit.